Episode 1 of Kuroko's Basketball Season 3 takes off literally where Season 2 ends, and then some. So they just won the game, and it's a complete recap episode. But not only is it a recap episode, but it's also a setup episode, meaning we see flashbacks from other games in the whole tournament. But then we also get introduced to a few new characters. Number one, there's that Dick who's been hitting on Kagami's mentor, and then she chokes him and everything like that. Damn. I don't want to spoil the few key details, but damn. I honestly feel like he's just a carbon copy of the purple hair guy from Generation of Miracles. Number one, because he claims that he hates basketball. Okay, that's the very key thing that the other guy had as well, the very key trait that made him stand out from the other players. He hates basketball, and he's very big and tough. I feel like once they removed that character, or once they removed the purple guy as from being evil, they just had to make another character exactly like that because he was really well done. And I feel like doing this is kind of like a cop-out, you can't make anything original. But then again, I haven't seen his whole story yet. I don't know, it's probably not going to be exactly the same because from what I can tell, all the other characters are very awesome and unique, and I'm very excited to see them once again play off each other in this semi-quarter battle. But what I don't want happening is the production quality to go down, because Season 1 and Season 2 was so amazing, and because it took so long, I really hope that they took long to make it as good as it could possibly be. Whoever's behind it, because I currently don't know the actual studio who is it. I feel like I want to say Shaft, but I know it's not Shaft. The current studio behind it better do a good freaking job, because it is my most anticipated anime show of this winter season. And if you're wondering why I'm kind of off place, it's because I have a lot of stuff going on today. I just came home from Japanese. Actually, I didn't just come home. I've been playing League of Legends for 4.5 hours with my friends. But I'm very busy today. So, Kuroko's Basketball Season 3 Episode 1. I've been told Season 2 is coming out today, and I'm very excited. Or not Season 2. Episode 2 is coming out today, and I'm very excited to see what happens with it. So comment below and let me know, are you excited to watch more Kuroko's Basketball Season 3? Because I know I am. Anyway guys, it's been Keaton, and I'll see you when I see you. Peace.